Hi, welcome back to another vlog. I just came on board, and after 2 weeks of being inside the ship, today is the first day going out with the team, and I keep forgetting their names since I just came on board. So let me just introduce my team.
Hey! Indian Mafia is here, all the way from Dehradun.
Yeah.
And you are?
Anish.
And?
Felmar.
And? Sorry, I don't forget you.
This one, I'm not terrorist.
And here?
Hey, people know me as a sexiest man on the ship.
Wow, cool! Tell your name.
Vaibhav.
And? Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India where?
Uttarakhand.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey! Here's Shubham.
Hello.
The best couple on the ship. From Sapphire Princess, all the way from Mumbai, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mumbai and Pune.
Khushbu, and she is our specialist Chanel ambassador.
My goodness.
Hello, hola, my roommate and the coolest man in limelight, all the way from Argentina.
Today we are going for hiking. And the hike is about 30 to 40 minutes to the lower lake.
Wow!
गोरखा ये अपना चीता बहुत स्पेशली अच्छे पानी पिला देगा
ठंडा है ना?
Very thunder.
गंगा जमुना दिख जाएगी दिन को आता है दोस्त मेरा दोस्त इसके सीखा है मैं भी भाई को भी डर लगता है
जाओ शुभम.
सजल है इधर तक तो आ. उसकी ट्रैक पहन लेना.
खड़ी है तू
Go. Come on, boy. Go.
ये तैराक है ये ना ये लड़की तैराक है
Oh my god, very sad.
ए चारों आओ एक साथ.
$10 जो एक दूसरे को डुबाएगा
एक ग्लास.
आजा बीमार
क्वालिटी इज नॉट गुड. केल्विन क्लास.
पास्ता.
One.
एक सिप मार गया ना.
हाँ,
चलो.
रेडी रहना.
स्टार्ट किया मैंने.
ये रुको. वोडका इसको देना. मैं इधर से शिफ्ट करूँ.
अच्छा.
नो ब्रो.
एक सिप मार ये.
यू गिव इट टू गुडनेस.
क्या करना है? First ये करना है क्या? ऐसे round.
ये पास करना है बहुत.
अरे अबे रुक जाना.
1, 2, 3, cheers. Drink. मेरा तो खत्म होने वाला है. I wanna try. बड़ी गंदी है यार वोडका.
बेलीज वेरी नाइस
Belize is the best. I like it. This is नहीं वोडका. ये कैसा? Red label ठीक है. We need coke.
Bye-bye.
2, 3.
आगे नीचे पे साथ नीचे चलो ठीक है मुझे मत लेना वो अपलोड कर पाएगा अच्छा तो करता है हाँ हो गया हो गया
Yeah.
Wait! Hey! Hey! पानी उड़ा दिया अरे क्या कर रही है लाखों मार रही है चीटिंग कर रही है पानी पी लिया मैंने
लो मेरा पाँव पकड़ो डुबा दिया
You have flag. Hi. This is our crew welfare. This is for you too? Yeah, for us. Thank you. So we are boarding the train right now. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Hey. Hi.
How are you?
Hi. Hello. They're all crew members.
So, Skagway is the name of the city in Alaska in United States with the population of 1,217. So, ito mohan train de pungchi jaise. Aro ito la train to White Pass of Yukon Railroad koigna ase. Klondike Gold Rush era 1896. Poila jamana de American kan gold kundi wala jalaga rasta ase ito. In the year 1896 de around 1 lakh nishna American manu gold kundi wala jalaga rasta ase ito. Huilebi around 30,000 manu ikla gold jaga de pungchi. Around 70,000 manu nishna wapas khor jaise huilebi taikan rasta de konoba manu morishe out of hunger aro konoba khan ekjun ke morai dishe aro konoba khan bimar pra morishe konoba khan bishi thanda hoina tahan morishe aro suicide bi kurishe. Aro horses can be around 3,000 nishna murishi kushe. Itia to one of the popular sightseeing train tour in Alaska. Jaga to bishi sundur ase as you can see, and itu laga tour to around $249 ase. 2 hours ride back and forth. Now we are going to explore the white past of Yukon Railroad, Klondike Gold Rush era in 1896. Out of 100,000 people of Americans, only about 30,000 gold seekers actually succeeded in completing the journey. That means about 70,000 prospectors either died or turned back from gold panning due to the health problems and lack of food. Many died as well as people who turned back and journeyed home. There were murder, suicide, diseases, malnutrition, and deaths from hypothermia. And also, more than 3,000 horses died due to the torture of the trail and inexperience of the stampeders. Now it is one of the popular sightseeing train tour in Alaska. The tour cost about $249 per person, 2 hours back and forth in Skagway.
Oh, finally I did the train tour for 2 hours back and forth. Now we are done. It was nice and we are done for a day. So guys, thank you for your time. I'm gonna see you in the next vlog again or in the next day. Bye.
सीधा जाके लेफ्ट लेना ए क्यों
The Cone Company ice cream, the best ice cream in Alaska. And look at the queue. So this is our spot for the internet. Most of the crew members come here to use internet, and also you can free your mind as well, relax and read the books. It is just 10 to 15 minutes walk from the cruise port. And also we have the Indian restaurant over here called Bombay Curry, where they sell all the snacks, and there is something where you can eat Indian food over here, but it is pretty expensive.
$6
$6.
yeah 70% 5 then it's for 20
20 for 5.
anything you can pick
Oh, okay.